Hi guys, for today's trade of the day, I'll be looking at the pound CAD, right? And what I like to do, why I chose the pound CAD is because we actually have up and coming news on the CAD later on today that will be quite important to look at during the US session. Okay, so what's interesting right now is that we see that the pound CAD is making sort of a sideways movement, right? However, price is coming back to test this support level that we have on the daily. So it's a very nice sideways movement, right? We can consider price to be currently in a channel. So let's see how we can play this on a shorter term time frame, right? But off the charts, we can see that there's sort of a daily support here. All right, I'll just put the level there, daily support, and we also have sort of a daily resistance level here as well. Okay, so price actually made this huge push down. So we want to see whether this daily resistance is in line with any retracement levels. Let's just use the retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low, and price is actually quite close to the 78.6. If I were to change it to 76.40, which is also another Fibonacci retracement ratio, right? The daily resistance falls right on the 76.40 level. Okay, so this is definitely a strong daily resistance level. Likewise, price made a low here and then made a push up to this level. We want to see whether this daily support falls in line with any Fibonacci retracement. So let's use the Fibonacci retracement and open up all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the daily support falls right at the 50% as well. Okay, so we have graphical and we have Fibonacci ratio. And so this tells us that our resistance and our support levels are strong. With that, let's go down to the 4 hours. Okay, so now we're on the 4 hours. Like I said, price is making a sort of a sideways push, right? Let me just tidy this up so it's easier for everyone to see. Okay, so price is making a sort of a sideways push. However, do note that here price made this zigzag pattern, right? So let's just use Fibonacci extension to see how far price can go, how far low price can go. All right, we open up all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that the 127.2 also falls right in line with the daily support. And price has just broken below the 100% level. Right? So let's just select the 127.2. Okay, so we have that level. This is how we got the level. We use the extension of this zigzag movement. All right, so the daily support is also a strong 4-hour support level. All right, so what I'm thinking is because price is right now in sort of a channel, a sideways range, price could actually come down to the daily support and then make a push up towards the daily resistance. Okay, so let's just look at that. And also price on the 4 hours, we want to look for a 4-hour resistance. Price made a push down, so we want to see how far price can make a push up. Graphically speaking, I see one level over here is like a graphical overlap level. Okay, let's call this the 4-hour resistance. All right, and let's take a Fibonacci retracement from swing high all the way to the low here. Open up all Fibonacci ratios. And we see that this 4-hour resistance falls in line with the 38.2 retracement level. Okay, so now that we have all these levels in place, let's go down to the 1 hour to fine tune our trading idea. Okay, so now we are on the 1 hour, right? Let me just tidy this up. Okay. Okay, so we see that price has actually came down, bounced, seems to be coming down all the way again, right? So what I think price could be doing is we can take this small zigzag to see how far price can push up, all right? And price, after this strong push down, price could very well make a double bottom pattern, can come down and make the second bottom and then make a push up. So let's use our Fibonacci extension. Right, and we see that the 4-hour resistance is also in line with the 127 too. So what I have here is really playing a possible double bottom pattern. Okay, I can actually set my buy entry at the recent low. All right, and then this 4-hour resistance can be my first take profit. All right, so just remember that this 4-hour resistance is actually a zone. Okay, just stretch this further. Okay, so it's a zone, right? And I'll actually buy at this level and play up to this take profit level. The daily resistance is a bit too far off. However, only if price comes up, breaks, retests, and continues its move up, will I play to the second take profit at the daily resistance. However, right now with my buy entry coming back here, the risk reward is actually very nice. My stop loss will be anywhere below the daily support level, below this zone, right? Anywhere below this zone. Okay. So anywhere below this zone, below this area, will be my stop loss. So I can just put a stop loss at that level. The reason for that is because if price breaks this entire area, right, my bullish idea is invalidated. Okay, so there we have it. A very short and clear and sharp video. We should expect to see some volatility coming in the moment Bank of Canada announce their economic data. And with that, thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend. Take care and stay safe.